This will be our condition walk around video of our 1984 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL. It is a documented one owner car, original owner, from new, purchased in 1984. It is a 7,000 mile original car. Obviously garage kept, obviously only used as a pleasure car, and obviously in absolutely immaculate condition. Just recently out from our PPI, done at Samaria Imports, where we had fluids flushed, replaced a shifter bushing set to help with our trans selection. Car otherwise has a clean bill of health. We are riding on the original tires. We have the original belts. Generally, every engine component is original. So other than oil changes and the fluid flushes, everything on the car is as it left the factory. So we are gonna go ahead and open the doors, the trunk, the hood. We're going to inspect the inside and outside condition. But as you can see, car is virtually flawless. So just recently, gently detailed, and by that I mean it was simply dusted off and has a thin coat of wax on it. We have never even had the hard top off. So original owner enjoyed it as you see it here. Top has not been off. Soft top has never been used. So really, this is just amazing stuff. So, emblems, bright work, bumpers, even the pinstripe that was added, everything looks like it was just done yesterday. Everything is in fantastic shape. As you can imagine, mirrors, the glass, everything is crystal clear. You can see me holding the camera. You can see the orange chamois on my shoulder. You can even see my black shirt as well in the reflection in the car. So there's the orange, really amazing. We do have an overcast day, which is probably the best way to inspect paint condition, that kind of thing, because there's really no way to hide anything. As you can see, everything is as it presents. Absolutely meticulous. So over the years, from being parked inside, it has had a car cover on it. There are a couple of very, very light spots that you can only make out in angle. Got a bug there. But other than that, probably a good buff would completely bring this up to showroom condition if it isn't already. So we do have just a couple of spots barely visible. Don't know if you can see them. We have some very, very light clear coat rubbing right there. Again, it's difficult to even show you. You just have that fuzz on there from the tree. And up here we have, just give it another wipe down from the dust. We've got a couple of nearly invisible blemishes. Again, they are in the clear coat there. You can kind of see it if I go back and forth, but really any kind of a distance, and we're about 15, 18 inches from the car at this point, everything pretty much disappears. So truly I don't know if you can call it a survivor. It's definitely a preservation car, but every piece of bright work, every piece of trim. In the wiper arms, it has its original rubber on there. So again, as I mentioned, original tires from new as it left the factory. They are in remarkably good condition, actually. We've had her out, had her up on the highway. Obviously, if anyone is going to do any kind of serious driving with the car, tour with it or whatnot, you would probably want to replace those, maybe keep them for posterity's sake. But yes, all 4 tires are original. You got the original tread on there, all been pictured. Wheels are original, absolutely everything. Exhaust. So we'll go ahead and start by opening her up on the passenger side here, and as you can imagine, just as much on the inside as she is on the outside. She is nearly perfect. So even mats covering mats, so you can appreciate that everything is in really like new condition. And then here's the carpeting underneath. So of course every light works. The inside of the hardtop, again, like the day it left the factory. So here's our sunshade, mirrors, glass, even the grab handles, everything absolutely perfect. Here's your interior. Factory first aid kit, never used. I think we have that pictured as well. Wood, absolutely perfect. All of the trim, I mean the dash, as you can imagine, everything is like new. So here's our glove box. We have everything the car came with. Original window sticker, touch-up paint. It's all shown. Head cleaner for the cassette deck, the original Becker cassette for instructions, the Hirschman antenna cloth wipes. It's just amazing. Everything is here. So just perfect. Steel drum, driver's side. So pretty much same condition on this side. So over here, Again, got the double generic mats over the perfect Mercedes mat and the never touched carpeting. Still got all your original stickers on there. Original marking on the Hirschman antenna. Here's our trunk. See, our owner installed a battery cutoff. Those periods of not driving, but as you can see, we've got factory jack, factory battery cover in flawless condition. And there is our factory toolkit, all shown in our pictures. And everything really is just in, again, perfect condition, just as much so here in the trunk as inside. Trunk lid, everything like new. There's our light. As you can see, I mean, even the screws still have their original coating on them. Every piece of rubber, again, looks like new. You'd really be hard pressed to find an example like this. So you just got some dust here and there, and all of your hardware, it's as if it left the factory. So we'll go ahead and get under the hood. Butter smooth, as you can imagine. Just have some aluminum discoloring just from the starting up, shutting off, but really the level of preservation here is just incredible. You've got your original markings there. Original markings on the original hose clamps, original hoses, every sticker, every badge, every plate. There's your VIN. Where it really starts to get crazy is here when you start to look at your date stamps on the belts. There's 4 of 83. That one down there is 3 of 83. So again, your originality just through and through. So steering fluid done, coolant, washer solvent, brake fluid actually was flushed. The whole system was flushed. We've got nearly full pad. Only marks down here is maybe just a little bit of dust. It's much darker actually as I look at it on the camera. You've got all original hood pad and everything is just in extremely original condition. So gleaming, bright work, and again, as you can see, it's reflection. There's the chamois again, but just everything is superb. Again, the hardware, everything has its original coatings on it. So originality abounds. We're inside That is our current mileage right there. Again, instrumentation, everything is just crystal clear. No fogging anywhere. Original Becker Grand Prix radio works. Obviously, cars never been smoked in. Switches, everything is crisp to the touch. Everything as you would imagine it would be. So, controls work. Air blows cold. And we have our light control. You can have those controlled with or without the doors, or you can have them off. There's your reading lights. Here is the driver's side sun visor. Again, I mean, you can see all of the hardware, the top removal, everything is perfect, like new. Just gleaming seatbelt, surround trim. There's your badges, plate, tire information. Even your touch points are just absolutely perfect. You can see my watch reflection in the bright work there. The handle, I mean, literally every screw, the trim on the door here, it's like perfect. For here, all your vents, controls, everything. Cruise control works. Use that on the highway. So again, everything butter smooth. Controls. Your fin tag over here. And your dash condition. Just perfection. All of the original glass, of course. All of the wheels are in equally immaculate condition. And there you have it. Hope you've enjoyed the video.